Today I'm cooking a super simple and easy steamed silken tofu with minced chicken. This recipe is for 2 to 3 servings. The ingredients needed are 360 grams of silken tofu, 5 tablespoons of water, 1 tablespoon of cut spring onions, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce or 1.5 tablespoons if it is a saltiest type, 2 tablespoons of minced chicken, 1/4 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of tapioca flour, 1 tablespoon of crispy fried shallots, 1 tablespoon of onion oil, and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. The full list of the ingredients are in the CMO link. Start with adding 1 tablespoon of water into the tapioca flour. Mix until the flour is dissolved. Leave it aside. Next, put silken tofu onto a heat-resistant plate to steam the tofu. Gently wash the tofu before steaming. I have prepared some hot boiling water and a steaming stand here in the pot. Put in the washed tofu and steam it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, tofu is ready. Switch off the heat. Notice that there is a lot of water in the plate. As once tofu is cooked, it tends to release some water. Remove the water by using the steaming clamp to hold and tilt the plate. Pour out the water while blocking the tofu with the spatula. Place the tofu back in the pot. Cover and leave it aside. Next, cook the minced chicken. Switch on the heat. Put in onion oil or the minced chicken, pepper, sesame oil, all the water, and light soy sauce. Stir and mix until well combined. Break any lumps of minced chicken. Stir and cook for 2 minutes or until gravies come to a boil. Alright, it is boiling. Give it a taste. Okay, it's great that the gravy is slightly salty as it will be perfect with the silken tofu. Next, add in the tapioca flour mixture. Give it a quick stir to thicken the gravy. Switch off the heat and the simple minced chicken gravy is ready. Transfer to a bowl. And we can dish out and serve. Put the steamed tofu onto a serving plate. Push it to the center. Pour the minced chicken gravy. Sprinkle with fried shallots and some spring onions. Simple steamed silken tofu with minced chicken gravy is done. Let's eat. Wow, delicious! It's very flavorful. The tofu is very soft, blending so well with the tasty minced chicken gravy, perfect with rice. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!